Today, we're diving into the past tense in English. There are four different forms, each with its own structure and usage. I'll explain them in a simple way, so let's get started. The past tense has four forms: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Each one is used in different situations. Let's go over each form, along with its structure. Simple past. The simple past is the most basic form of the past tense. We use it to describe actions that happened and were completed in the past. Here's the structure. Structure, subject plus verb, past form. Examples: I walked to the store. She watched a movie. These are actions that happened at a specific time in the past and are now over. Past continuous. Next is the past continuous tense. This form is used to describe actions that were happening at a specific moment in the past. The structure is structure, subject plus was, were, plus verb, base form, sud ing. Examples: I was walking to the park when it started to rain. They were playing soccer at 4 p.m. yesterday. This tense paints a picture of what was happening at a certain time in the past. Past perfect. The past perfect tense is used when we talk about an action that happened before another action in the past. Here's the structure. Structure, subject plus had plus verb, past participle. Examples: she had read that book already. They had played cricket before the match was cancelled. This tense helps us show the order of events in the past. Past perfect continuous. We have the past perfect continuous tense. This tense is used for actions that were happening over a period of time in the past, before another action. The structure is structure, subject plus had been plus verb, base form plus ing. Examples: she had been watching the movie for an hour when the power went out. I had been walking to the road for 30 minutes when it started to rain. This tense shows that an action was ongoing in the past before something else happened. So to recap, here are the four forms of the past tense, along with their structures. Simple past, subject plus verb, past form, I walked. Past continuous, subject plus was were plus verb, ing. I was walking. Past perfect, subject plus had plus verb, past participle. I had walked. Past perfect continuous, subject plus had been plus verb, ing. I had been walking.